In the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, search engine optimization remains a cornerstone of online success. For businesses and individuals looking to improve their website's visibility without breaking the bank, finding the right SEO tools is crucial. Keysearch has emerged as a powerful and affordable alternative to more expensive SEO tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush. Keysearch is an all-in-one SEO tool designed to help users improve their website's search engine rankings through in-depth keyword research, competitive analysis, and performance tracking. Launched in 2015, Keysearch has gained a reputation for its affordability and comprehensive feature set, making it a popular choice among solopreneurs, small businesses, and digital marketers. Keysearch is a comprehensive suite of SEO tools designed to cater to a wide range of users, from bloggers and small business owners to established SEO professionals. It offers a user-friendly interface and a focus on affordability, making it an attractive option for those who don't want to break the bank on expensive SEO software. While established players like SEMrush and Ahrefs offer a wider range of features, Keysearch stands out for its affordability and ease of use. It's perfect for those who are new to SEO or who have limited budgets. However, for experienced SEOs who require advanced features and functionalities, the higher-priced options might be a better fit. Keysearch is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to improve their website's SEO and drive organic traffic. With its user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and affordable pricing, it empowers users of all levels to unlock the power of SEO and achieve their online goals. Keysearch stands out as a powerful, affordable, and user-friendly SEO tool that caters to a wide range of users, from solopreneurs to seasoned digital marketers. Its comprehensive features, combined with its cost-effective pricing, make it an indispensable asset for anyone looking to enhance their online presence and achieve SEO success. Whether you're just starting your SEO journey or looking for a reliable alternative to pricier tools, Keysearch is well worth considering. Thanks for watching.